And if you're in a big hurry and just want to know the basis of this, all you got to do is just recognize that this right there, the diameter of them little shoulders and leg sockets, works out really good with that right there. So I'm gonna take this little arm right there. All you really got to do is to find the center of that right there, just with your eyeball. You ain't got to get too precise with it. You know, like I said, you could take and sit down and twist it if you want to, but I'm going to take and hook up my little drill, and then I'm just going to kind of back it out every now and then and just check things. You know, we don't want to drill in too far with it. And the little cross piece right there is the one that's going to go in it. So we're going to cut some of this off of there. We just want to make sure we got a good snuggativity right there. See that? And of course you can take you some little sand and go ahead and sand on it, smooth on it, whatever you would like to do. But just for this purpose right there, what I'm going to do is glue this in there, and then we're going to trim up that little edge right there, that little collar. Now that joint stays in there really good. The arm ain't going to just fall down on you. You know, it stays up. Now one thing is that if you wanted to, alright, see how it's got that little catch right there? You could even take and use let's see, where'd it go? One of these kind of little pieces right there instead, and just use that. Because instead of that long right there, you can take this piece and then use that for your arm. See, that might even have a better feel for your figure, you know. And then, see that? And that basically is the system. And I'm going to call that the TOY POLLOI system. I like to just watch his videos to listen to it. He has a what they call a British accent, and which to me is one of the best